Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you simple ways on how to create your AI movie from script down to video generation. But before we dive right into the video, if you are just coming across my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. And on this channel we'll talk about how to grow on YouTube and how to use AI. And without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So what I did was to come to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT to give me a story on gym palaver. That's the kind of idea that is on my head right now. Gym problem. So I want it to be captivating, interesting, intriguing, and dramatic. I'm using AI to create the movie, make it make sense. So I'm going to click on the blue arrow to send. So let's wait for it. Gym Palava, a captivating Nigerian drama, comedy, romance, suspense, setting Lagos, Nigeria. Episode 1, The New Beginning. When Amara, a beautiful and hardworking fashion designer, moved to Lagos after ending a painful relationship, she promised herself blah blah blah. Don't let me waste your time with that. So the next thing we're going to be doing is, without ChatGPT 2, I want you to make it into a dialogue log movie. So we're going to send that now. Okay, gym palava, body empire, fitness center, blah blah blah. You see Amara, that this is very okay. Coach Femi, scene 4, scene 5. Okay, this is very okay. I love it. See, okay, 16. Yeah, so that's very okay. I don't want it to be too long. So the next thing we're going to be doing is tell ChatGPT, I want you to give me image and scene prompt for this story. So you can put in much detail, like maybe you want it to be super realistic. You want it to be, maybe you want to impute a specific detail. You can go ahead with that, but I don't want to waste our time on this tutorial. So I told it, I want you to give me image and scene prompt for this story. So we're going to click on send. So after sending, we're going to wait. Okay, Amara arrives at the gym. Okay, all right. Okay. So now what we're going to be doing is we move over to this is okay, 13 cents is not okay. This is okay. What we're going to be doing is we go to our browser. Hi guys, I figured that I didn't tell it that I want them to be consistent. So now what I did was to tell it I want the images to be consistent. So give me a detailed prompt that Google Flow AI can generate, because that's the app that's the website we are using today. So now this is what it gave me. So what we're going to be doing is copy it, then go to our browser, search for Google Flow AI, click on the very first one right here, click on it, allow it to load, and then you have to log in with your Google account. If you have not logged in, click on new project, allow it to load, then come down right here where it says Nano Banana Pro. You select make sure it is on image. You select your aspect ratio. If it's for YouTube, if it's for short. So for today's tutorial, we're going to be going for 9:16. So select how many outputs you want. So we're going to be using one, and if you want to, you can put it. It's completely free, so you can change it to Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. Anyone is fine, they are both okay. So we're going to be using Nano Banana Pro here. So now after that, we're going to be clicking on the box right here and paste the prompt, then send. Then we'll go back, click on, we'll copy the second prompt, we paste, then we send. Then we go back, copy the next one. You see how easy it is, and it's completely free. Go back. Wow, this is beautiful. We paste and send. So what we're going to be doing is make sure you save your work. Although even if you did not save it, your work is secure, but just to be on the safer side. So what we're going to be doing is long click on it, then click on download button right here. Click on the download button and download to your device. Long click on it, click on the download button and download. It said, oh, something went wrong. Just click on this circle right here. It's going to regenerate. So let's just create one more. So I'll create the remaining one off camera, copy, then paste, and you're going to send it. So I'm going to generate the remaining one off camera, but let's just save this first. Wow, this is cute. So we're going to long press, click on download, and then download. So now hope you understand. Just to regenerate it. So hope you understand now that you can create your images for free, and very neat images. These are very okay. So don't tell me you don't know how to generate your images now. So what we're going to be doing is we move on to, let's save this before we go. Wow, cute. Huh? So we copy that. I'm sorry, we download that and we save it. So now what we're going to be doing is we will start creating the scene images. So we'll copy the first scene and make sure you read through it. The first scene requires like an image of the gym and image of Amara. So we'll copy it, we go back, we click on the image of the gym, then you add Amara's image, click on her, then select, still check it is still there. So the aspect ratio is still normal. So we're going to paste our prompt, paste the prompt, and then send it. So now we're going to go back, copy the second one. Sunday helps Amara. So we'll copy it, then we'll go back. It's still generating. It is done generating. So we're going to click on this download button up here, upscale to 2K, dismiss. So now we're going to click on the download button. It's going to bring a download button, right? So what we're going to be doing is you click on the download button. What we're going to be doing is the next image you want to generate includes both Amara and the gym and Tunde. So what we're going to be doing is click on the plus sign, add the image of the guy, click on done, click on that box, paste your prompt and send. Still there. So this is beautiful. You click on the download button, click on upscale, which is 2K. So because we are still using this same image, we are not leaving here. So we are going to click on this box right here, download that. So you're going to click on the box right here and paste your prompt. So no one is joining them, just that three image, the image of the gym and the two of them. Then you send, you click it. Don't forget to save the image, but let's save it first before we generate. Click on the download button, click on 2K. The next thing we're going to be doing is go to our browser, Then you search for Digen AI, click on it. You click on it, then you're going to come up to this head right here, this upside, that is this head sign. Then you're going to sign in with either your Google account or your Gmail, your email rather. But I'm going to be using my Google account to sign in. So now we are done signing in. You see that the interface has changed. So we're going to click on the X button right here. So the next thing we're going to be doing is you come right down here where it says describe your video or type at no whatever. So we're going to be clicking on the plus sign to add our image, upload image, go to photo library, let's select our image, then click on done. Then it's there. So we're going to describe our image. So we're going to be pasting our prompt, of which we copied from ChatGPT. Then we'll click on this star sign right here at the right hand down part. We're going to be clicking on it, which is generate. So you're going to wait for it to generate. So our video is done generating. Let's click on it to check. Can you see this is super beautiful? So we're going to be clicking on this download button right here to save our image. You save video rather. So we forgot to add Amara to the prompt, but there's no problem to it. So now we're going to continue generating. So to continue our generation, we are going to be clicking on the plus sign again, upload image, photo library, then we add that, we add the image. Let's go and copy the prompt. Let's copy the prompts. So let's copy it down here, copy, then let's paste, then click on the plus sign right here. It's going to take a few minutes. It is done generating. Let me allow you to listen to it.
Welcome to Body Empire Fitness Center. First
Is that obvious?
Very obvious. Just meet Coach.
Excuse me, please.
Welcome to Body Empire Fitness Center. First
Is that obvious?
Very obvious. Just meet.
Don't be like me. Don't copy too much prompt. I've forgotten that this is Digen AI. Digen AI allow you to generate for 5 seconds, whereas if we are using Google Flow AI to generate the video, it is 8 seconds. So I did a mistake. Sorry. So let's delete this prompt. Then let's go and check our next prompt. Sunday, madam. Okay. We're not going to copy much here. What we're going to be doing is copy here. This should be okay. Let's copy that. Then we'll go back. So we're going to add Sunday to the timeline. So this is the image. We're going to click on done. Then we paste our prompt right there. Allow the image to upload first. Then you click on the generate button. Then you wait for it.
Madam, you want to break record or break your neck?
Jesus, thank you.
Relax, this machine will. Madam, you want to break record or break your neck?
Jesus, thank you.
I didn't know that my phone stopped recording. So basically what we did to generate the remaining one is we copied the next prompt, then paste it in the box and then send it. You know how we've been doing it.
But if it humble.
And they said exercise is healthy.
Healthy, yes. But if it humble.
So that's the result you listen to. I guess by now you should be able to create your movie from scratch from your story generation, your script generation rather, down to image generation and video generation. So that's that about that for today. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.